Water coming in from here. Here's the water. Okay, the valve is open. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight. Start like become weak. 9, 10. See how it's dripping like a little. Here 10. Look this one. 11. Here's like almost getting water. 12. This one open maximum. 12, 13, 14 like drops. 15, same thing, short or broad drops. 16, 17, 18. I open here, nothing. 19, nothing. 20, 21, to show you there is no pressure at all. 22, 23, 24. See the 24? Nothing. So only the drops getting into the 18, and that's it. So I didn't use the 30. I used only 19. So here this is open. You can see, I will show you something here. This one, so don't tell me like it's tight. It's not tight. Look. See? Nothing. And here I will show you too. I will tie it like that. Nothing. Same thing here. Same thing here. There's a bees here. I will not come into it so I don't get like a... See? Okay. This is all. And the same thing on the other side. Here, I will show you without water. The same thing in the other side. I'll close the water here. Same thing here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I will put the water into it and show you. In this one, no water at all, no water at all, no water at all, no water at all. I will connect the water and show it to you. Same thing. I'll put it down for a second. Oh. You can see water here. I believe there's a water here. You can see there is a water here. Go down, I believe here there's a water too. Same thing. There is a water here. Here. Nothing. Nothing. So I'll show you.